my people. So there, I plan for roast up 2 fish, but I just go and cut the fish them so the seasoning can soak through the fish. Put this right there, so. See them? Alright. So I'll go through and cut all with 2 slices in it on each side. Alright, so I season them up now. Alright, just some mixed seasoning, jerk seasoning, black pepper, fish seasoning, you know, just have like a mix up. So here what I'm gonna do. Just I gotta throw the seasoning in the bowl on the fish them and rub it in. Alright my people, so there just I set up the jerk pan, you know, just I get in some coal. You don't want a large amount of coal, and most of the small pieces you want, because remember, you know, fish not take a long time to cook or even jerk or roast, right? You don't really need much heat, right? And then we just use some little coconut butter and just, you know, help to get the coal them light. That should be sufficient. Take out a few pieces out of it. Alright. Famous kerosene oil. So I sprinkle a small amount. That enough? Little bit too much, but I go work. Then we light. Alright. So when the fire catch up and all that coal them catch, show you what I go on. Catch me. You know it. Alright my people, so the fire catch up and everything, you know, so I go oil and put on the grill. oil up and put on the grill. Alright, so I use a regular, some of the regular vegetable oil. I will call it cooking oil. Alright. And because we don't want the fish sticking at the initial state, just oil the grill. Alright. I set the grill in place. Catch me when fish them are gone. I'm a people, so I put on the first set of fish on the grill now. Alright. So catch me when I do the first turn in. Alright, so see me here, my people. So I put on the first set of coating on it. I'm gonna give it a turn. Alright. And then base the side of it just flip up. I can't wait to taste it. Alright. So catch me when I flip it again. Yeah man, my people. Yeah man, my people. So I'm gonna turn it now, you know. I put a piece of coconut. I try a roast piece of coconut. Alright. Yeah. Alright, so the next time you see me again, take the matic off, people. Yeah, man. Remember to like, share, and subscribe always. And leave your comment. Yeah, man. Alright, so put on the next set. And they've been jerking for a while now, so I'm going to turn them. Alright. Roast coconut can come off, Alright, so I'll base the top section now. And you see when we get back to you. Alright, my people, so I take off the last set now. Man, I'm finished here now. Alright, so them one here not fully done yet, but you're not gonna see me take off them here. Just I see them in the plate. Alright, my people. Stay blessed. One love. Every time.